Hello dear students, how are you all? Now let's begin our new chapter which is about 4 fundamental operations.
Fundamental operations. What are the four fundamental operations? Yes, they are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have studied these operations in your lower classes. In our first chapter, we have learned about large numbers. So, now we can perform the same operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on large numbers. So, let us begin. Addition. The numbers to be added are called as addends. In addition, numbers to be added are called as addends. And the result of an addition is called the sum. It is called as the sum. Now, let us do an example. Add 56 crore 68 lakh 73,810 and 43 crore 27 lakh 19,315. As we are beginning to do the addition, let us draw the columns according to the place value of each digit. Here, the column is drawn. Now, let us add them. When we are adding, we have to add the ones together, then the tens, then the hundreds and so on. So, when we are adding 0 plus 5, we get 5. Then 1 plus 1, we get the answer as 2. 8 plus 3, we get 11. 1 here and put the carry over. 9 plus 3, 12. Plus 1, 13. We will write 3 here and the carry over. Then 1 plus 7, we will get 8. 8 plus the carry 1, we get it as 9. 8 plus 7, we get it as 15. We will put the carry here. Then 2 plus 6, it will be 8. Plus 1, we get the answer as 9. Then 6 plus 3, we get the answer as 9. 5 plus 4, we get the answer as 9. So, our sum will be 99 crore 95 lakh 93,125. So, now let's do some examples. The questions are given. First one is 45 lakh 21,863. It should be added to 87 lakh 9,102. So now let us write in columns. So we will write 45 lakh. For 45 lakh 21,863. And it should be added to 87 lakh 9,102. So when we are adding, let's do 3 plus 2, we'll get the answer as 5. 6 plus 0, it will be 6. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 9, it will be 10. Put the 0 here and the carry here. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3. 3 plus 0, it will be 3. 5 plus 7, we'll get the answer as 12. Put the carry here. 4 plus 1, we'll get the answer as 5. 5 plus 8, it will be 13. So, 13. So, now, when we are reading, it will be 1 crore 32 lakh 30,965. So, we got the sum as 1 crore 32 lakh 30,965. Now, let's do the next one. The next question is 9 lakh 12,784 and 11,484. Now, the number is 9 lakh 12,784 and 11,484. Now, let's add. 4 plus 4, we get the answer as 8. 8 plus 8, we get it as 16. So put the 6 here and the carry here. 7 plus 1, we get the answer as 8. 8 plus 4, it will be 12. So write 2 here and put the carry here. 1 plus 2, we'll get it as 3. Plus 1, we get it as 4. Now 1 plus 1, it will be 2. And 9 in the lakhs place. So it will be 9,24,268. Our sum will be 9,24,268. Now let's move on. The sum remains same even when the order of the addends is changed. This is one property of addition. The sum will remain same even when the order of the addends, even when the addends are interchanged, the sum will be same. Next one is, if we are adding 0 to any number, we get the number itself. If we are adding 0 to any number, we will get the number itself as the answer. Now let's move to subtraction. When we are subtracting, we subtract a smaller number from a larger number. In subtraction, the larger number is the minuend and the smaller number is the subtrahend. The larger number is called as the minuend and the smaller number is called as the subtrahend. And the result is called as the difference. Then here the subtrahend is always written below the minuend. As we know that we subtract the smaller number from the larger number, we write the subtrahend below the minuend in column. Now look at the example. Here there's the column according to the place value of each digit. The numbers are 42,62,513 and 11,26,456. We have to subtract 11,26,456 from 42,62,513. When we are subtracting, we get the answer as 31,36,057. The answer or the result form is called as the difference. Now let us do some example to find the difference. The numbers are 34 crore 72 lakh 13,708 and 9 crore 12 lakh 43,567. We have to subtract 9 crore 12 lakh 43,567 from 34 crore 72 lakh 13,708. Now let's write it in columns. 34 crore 72 lakh 13,708. Now the next number is 9 crore 12 lakh 43,567. We have to subtract. So 8 minus 7, what we'll get? We'll get it as 1. Now look at the next one. 0 minus 6. It can't be done. So we'll borrow from the hundreds place. So here it will become 6 and here it will be 10. So 10 minus 6 will get the answer as 4. Now 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 4. So here also we have to borrow. So here it will be 1 and here it will be 11. So 11 minus 4, it will be 7. 1 minus 2, here again we have to borrow. Here it will be 6 and here it will be 11. 11 minus 2, it will be 9. 6 minus 1, it will be 5. 4 minus 9. Again here also we have to borrow from here. It will be 2 here and 14 here. 14 minus 9, it will be 5. we have to write the 2 here. So we got the answer as 25 crore 59 lakh 70,141. This will be our difference. Now let's do the next problem. Our next question is 67 lakh 20,179 and 48 lakh 30,677. So now let's write it in columns. 67 lakh 20,179 and 48 lakh 30,677. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 7, we'll get the answer as 2. 7 minus 7, it will be 0. 1 minus 6, so we can borrow from the left. Here it is 0, so we'll move to the left. So from 2, we are reducing 1. We'll get the answer as 1 here. And it will be 10 here. Again, we have to move right. So it will be 9 here. And here it will be 11. So 11 minus 6, we'll get the answer as 5. 9 minus 0, it will be 9 itself. Now 1 minus 3, we can't do that. So we'll borrow from the left. So here it will be 6 and it will be 11 here. 11 minus 3, we'll get the answer as 8. Here it is 6, so we have to borrow from the left. So here it will be 5 and this will be 16. So 16 minus 8, we get the answer as 8. 5 minus 4, we get the answer as 1. That means the difference will be 18 lakh 89,502. The difference will be 18 lakh 89,502. This is how we do the subtraction. Now let's move on. This is the property for subtraction. The order of subtraction cannot be changed. We cannot change the order of subtraction. Now, a number subtracted from itself, we'll get the answer as 0. If you are subtracting a number from the number itself, we'll get the answer as 0. 0 subtracted from a number gives the number itself. If we are subtracting 0 from a number, we get the number as the answer. Now, let's move on. Next one is addition and subtraction together. We can add and subtract numbers together. For example, consider the numbers. 3,28,175 plus 1,02,413 minus 2,32,103. So here we have to first add the numbers. Add the two numbers. Then we will get the sum. And from the sum, we have to subtract the third number. Adding the two numbers, we get the answer as 4,30,588. Now, we have to subtract the third number from the sum. So, if we are subtracting, we get the answer as 1,98,485. Now, let's do another example. The numbers given are 34 lakh 12,506 plus 27 lakh 10,114. And then we have to subtract 2 lakh 19,817. So now let's do. We have to add the first two numbers. So here the numbers are written in the columns. Now let's add 6 plus 4. We get 10. We'll put the carry here. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Plus 1, it will be 2. 5 plus 1, it is 6. 2 plus 0, it will be 2. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 4 plus 7, it will be 11. With the carry here. 3 plus 1, it will be 4 plus 2, it will be 6. So we get the answer as, we get the sum as 61,22,620. Now we will write it here. 61, 22, 62, 0. Now we have to subtract the third number from this. So it is 2,19,817. Now 0 minus 7 we can't do, so we have to borrow. Here it will be 1 and here it will be 10. 10 minus 7, it will be 3. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. 6 minus 8, we can't do that, so we have to borrow. It will be 1 here and 16 here. 16 minus 8, we will get the answer as 8 itself. Then here it is 1, so we have to borrow from the left. Here again it will be 1 here and here it will be 11. 11 minus 9, it will be 2. 1 minus 1, it will be 0. 1 minus 2, we can't do that, so we have to borrow from the left. So here it will be 5 and here it will be 11. So 11 minus 2, we get the answer as 9. Now write the 5 here. So we get the answer as 59,02,803. 59,02,803. This will be our result. So this will be for today. Thank you and have a nice day.